Okay everyone, welcome back to another video with me, Benny Crazy Marcus. So today we've got yet again another huge Temu parcel. As you know, we all love our stuff off Temu. We've had some good items, some not so good items. I've got with me Benny Mike.
Hi guys.
And Benny Scooter Sue.
Hi guys.
So here's the parcel. You can tell it's pretty packed. One thing that Temu does is when you order a lot of stuff with them on the same day, they will just seem to cram it all into one parcel. Like, even if it's probably not going to all fit into one bag, they still find a way of making it all fit in one bag.
What we got today then, Marcus?
Yeah, what we got today, I honestly don't remember what I've ordered or what we've ordered, but let's find out. So first out the box, a little portable desk fan in a absolutely smashed up box. So you want me to check it's in there? Cause so with that you get a tiny as hell USB cable. Very tiny. I don't like how the box is all smashed up, because that's just saying like, oh, we don't care about your products. Like, if it's broke, it's broke to titties. Not a problem. So there it is, guys. There's your little desk fan. I think it has got a little stand, however that will go in on it. I really have no clue, but yeah. Does it work?
I'll put it together and you
oh yeah, it does, it's on, not bad. I think it's got, oh, it's got 5 different speeds. On mode 5, it's pretty nice, that. Pretty nice.
It's a mobile phone holder.
Oh wow. So
it isn't actually with it, but
okay, so oh yeah, right, I've worked it out now. So there's a little bit on the back of the fan, which you could just lean down. Like so,
can be suspended.
Hang on, I'll show you the fan first. So it's just like that. Nice little thing. Then, of course, a mobile phone holder. So like,
I thought you said it worked.
Yeah, it does. You've got to press and hold power button for it to come on. Then not hold.
It has a little counter.
Yeah. You. Hang on, it's 180 open degree, suspensibility, can be hung up, large capacity battery supposedly, LED power display as well.
Shows you what level, but
yeah, I know, not, and colours you can get it in, black, pink, beige or white. So yeah, not too bad. I'll pass the box over to Mike. There's his large charger. On with the video.
Okay.
Yeah. He looks relaxed. Got some bird seats behind us on this little bit here because we have had a little pigeon visit us occasionally, which you've probably heard about if you've seen Mike's live from last night, waiting for him to come visit. I've got another box, if I can pull it up. We've got another one. Another portable tabletop fan.
Yeah.
Basically gonna be the same thing, ain't it? Summer heat, portable cooling, desktop breeze, effortless flow. Sorry, I can't speak today. Cooling relief, handhold comfort. I doubt you're gonna take that out with you when you go out for a walk or something, but hey, you never know. So, first thing that I think actually belongs to me is something I've ordered.
Is that like this?
Comes in a nice plastic bag. Gonna keep these because I'm selling off some of my Liverpool shirts at the moment, so that when I get someone actually want one and not want to pee me about, like fold them up nicely, put them in this bag so it looks more presentable, don't it? Hey, so I'm gonna have to pull my chair back here.
Oh, really funny.
An absolute awesome brand new Hawaiian shirt, guys. Like, check that out. Brand new Hawaiian shirt. You got like white tiki things on it. That looks absolutely amazing. Gonna be wearing that in some vids soon. Now I've got to fold it all back up again. I'm terrible at folding stuff up. Even though I wear in Navy cadets as well. You wouldn't believe it, the way I fold stuff up nowadays. I'm gonna reach in here. What is this, I wonder? Feels like a jumper. I'm getting them in because it is going a bit colder of a night now. Oh, that is dope.
I ain't supposed to be on you, is it?
No.
So, I'm not sure if you can see that. That's a nice sort of hoodie. Style of it is basically like Japanese hip hop style. Looks pretty nice, that. I'll have to try it on later. Make sure everything fits.
Jeez. What are you strapped on the arm for?
Because it's the style of it.
This one's got a bit more battery.
I'm not so searching. Right, next up is... I can't pull myself in. What the hell? It actually...
Mine.
Don't say that it is, but it's something for Mum. Scratching wax kit. Repair scratches on stuff, so
From a scooter.
if you've ever seen Scooter Sue Scooter, you'll know it's quite scratched up, so bit of this on it, hopefully remove them. way our look's been lately, it'll probably make it even more of a mess. You can't really trust Temu products. Another Hawaiian shirt for me, because I love my shirts, I love my Hawaiian shirts. Like anything sort of colourful or like crazy, I just love. Now I'm not sure if you can see that, guys, but that is a Tom and Jerry Hawaiian shirt. Of course you got Tom and Jerry plastered all over it. Oh, absolutely.
Neck on it. Right?
Yeah, got a weird neck on it, but hey ho, it looks quite interesting, quite cool. Love, of course, my old school cartoons, Tom and Jerry, Looney Tunes, Wacky Races, with the gruesome twosome, who are actually here with us today. The gruesome twosome. Well, I think there's no, I've seen it, just one final thing, which is the biggest thing. Is there? Alright, but I'll do that first. Oh, these, I believe, are like egg cups, egg cooking cup things, so you cook egg. Egg poachers. And I would poach an egg.
Put them in water.
Put the egg in and you put them in water.
Oh, fair dues. Pretty interesting to see how they've had done, because I mean, they're just cheap material, so surely when you put them in boiling water. Oh, they're silicone, but surely still, when you put them in a pan of boiling water, they're going to melt, ain't they? Right, so they're silicone. To be fair, they look more like blooming baby plants. Like, cheap material. Yeah, like.
Right, just
Meh. I'll pass that back to him. Final thing at the bag for me. Yet again, another jumper. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I'm hoping it fits, because the last jumper that was similar to this I bought, it fit, but I had this like technical hitch with it.
What was that?
His egg was too big.
Yeah. Oh. Well. Dirty already. Hang on. I think I can mop that up, but anyway. There it is. It's a simple cardigan with like a balaclava in. Then on the back, I'm not sure. I'm trying to like keep it clean. On the back is like a dragon tail. Pretty cool.
Why do you have any white, Marcus?
Cause like white will be a cooling colour, like, whereas black will just be like boiling hot and makes you look fat.
You wear that once and then you have to do the wash.
Now I'll manage to keep it clean. Anyway, so not a pretty good Temu haul. Hang on, something's on the floor. Bit off Dad's fan. So yeah, pretty good Temu. Actually, like what we've got. I mean, hopefully the clothing items I've got will fit me. I think they probably will. We have ordered some clothes off Temu before. They fit pretty well. They seem to be good quality. So yeah, happy days. Mike, you happy with your 2 fans?
Yeah, the fans are good and they got the course.
The silicone egg things, we ain't tested them yet, but maybe on one of the next vids we'll say how they went. So you pleased with your thingy? Fair dues.
We'll have to try it.
Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed our Temu unboxing. We will try do a couple more because they actually seem to be rather popular. So yes, stay tuned. And as always, hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Adios.